Hey guys, thought I'd start off the video with this beautiful turbo. So this is Mario from Racing Gems and JDMs. Just thought I'd start off the videos here. We used to have a page called Dig House Garage. We ended up losing access to that account and basically just gave up on it, so we ended up making a new one. Personally, I like the new name better anyway, so whatever. So for those of you who are following our previous page, you probably already know about all these parts here, but I'm just going to give you a little rundown and then later on show you the real reason why we're here. So this is my this is probably the best part of the whole kit. I used to have a 3-inch catback exhaust that had already got installed on the car. For those of you who are new here, it's a 2006 Sentra with 1998 Nissan Avenir SR20 DET. So bolt-on right there. I wanted to go with a bolt-on because I figured it, I'm lazy and I like the easy way out. And if it could bolt on, why not, right? Now this one bolts onto the rear-wheel drive SR20, so there might be a little bit of finesse involved, but I think that that's mostly thanks to the shoulders and stuff like that they give, the little elbow here. I think that that's what it is. So honestly, I'm not too concerned about that baby fitting on. Next thing, I got my belts here. They're useless. They're just regular belts. They're not going to do anything for you guys. This thing here, it's my standalone ECU, which honestly I'm really happy about getting because most people with Sentras end up getting little piggyback systems or flashes. And I don't know, I felt like getting a standalone would really complement an SR20. I figured, it's an SR20. You gotta pay to play a little bit. However, since my car is just a Sentra, I still gotta give the little guys here a little bit of respect. The catback that I have on my car that I mentioned earlier is a 3-inch Medusa catback, brought to you by these guys right here, 2J Racing. Really good quality stuff for anybody in the Sentra game that wants to buy some stuff. Yeah, good stuff. These are some bushings and stuff like that for the control arms and the cross member, and that's the shift knob. I might not even use that one. I might use this one, and the reason for that is because this one is adjustable. Here I have the little adjustable thing, whereas this one is supposed to be to OEM standard. I'll actually just show you real quick. You see, like that's the OEM size, and so yeah, it's just a sticker that I didn't put on. So that is going to be an issue because I have a short shifter which doesn't use the OEM size. This actually happens to be the right size, and I'm a bit of an anime guy, so the 4-star Dragon Ball really gets it for me. I don't know, I like it. Here I decided to go with 5.0 injectors instead of Tomei or Nismo or anything like that. And the real reason was budget. I'll be completely honest with you. I went with 750 cc's, though I almost bought 550. Really, 550 would have been plenty for the setup that I'm gonna run, but 750 just gives me the comfort zone, a little bit of extra, play. So if ever I feel like making 500 horsepower, for example, this will do it. Whereas if I took the 550s, I'd most likely have to replace them. I guess that's just about it for all the old stuff. The new stuff, and I'm sorry for the really long wait here, is about to come. Let me just put this down here for a second. Bring this up. Sorry for that. I know that the editing is shit in this, but it's just the way it goes. We're trying to save up to buy a better computer, better editing software, but unfortunately we're too busy spending money on parts. I mean, I drive a Sentra, so how much money can I possibly have, right guys? Right? Yeah, so here I bought some more goods. This is le pièce de résistance of the current package. This is of the whole thing, obviously. And again, I'm sorry for the crappy quality video here. I'm not a professional photographer. So, or an editor. for that matter. This right here, I'm sorry, this right here, nothing special, just the Z32 MAF. To be a little bit more specific, it's the MAF out of 300ZX, for those of you that don't know chassis codes of Nissans too well. And a turbo 300ZX, obviously. Here we have the just the harness for it, just so that way it bolts right on. Put that there. And here we have a little adapter plate for it, just in case it doesn't actually fit. I don't even know if I needed this, to be honest, but it's here. Here's another thing I wasn't 100% sure if I needed. It's an ISR cone filter. Wasn't 100% sure about the quality of this thing either, but to be fair, I might not even use it. So there's that. It's still wrapped in plastic and everything. I just got these parts today. Yeah, so the reason why I got that adapter plate here is because I'm guessing the stock SR20 doesn't fit on there. So the MAF would have to go in between there someplace and whatever. And now finally, what we've all been waiting for. So this year I bought a wideband for my my little piece of crap, my Sentra, my beloved. And I decided to go with an AEM. I don't know why. It's just a little bit of a... This is AEM playing a game on me. A little bit of a troll for them. Don't know why they do that. It scared me at first. Thought I got some fake parts. Here you got the wideband. And I do appreciate this, by the way, AEM. The ability to change the face is nice. Though I do like the black plate better, which you're going to see on it from factory. But I do like the idea of changing the plates. See, I already have... All my gauges in my car are already black, so the stock one is actually better. I didn't even open this. I don't know what this is yet. So yeah, basically when I got the parts, I quickly opened it up just to save a little bit of time on the video here, so I wouldn't have to go through all the crap of, well, basically this crap I'm going through right now. Okay, whatever, I'll just leave that like that, and then I'll show you this side. Now this is what I'm going to be seeing in the car, obviously. So this is the face of the gauge, and it's a digital crap. What do you call it? Air fuel ratio gauge, and it's not bad looking. It's actually really nice. I mean, hold on, if I can get a good focus on there, can I? There you go. Not the greatest camera equipment, but anyway, that's the gauge, and honestly, I cannot wait to see it lit up and everything. I think it's going to be nice. Yeah, so that's that basically. So I mean, that was pretty much it. That was the whole video. I know it's a bit of a boring video. It's just an unboxing, and I'm sorry about that, guys. You guys want to see us race, and you want to see them on the tracks, and you want to see dyno numbers. And right now, we're not in those stages just yet, but we will be. If you guys give us a few more weeks, we got a couple of videos coming up of, sorry about that, I don't know what just happened there. Oh no, what's going on? Like I said, guys, not a professional camera guy. Yeah, so we have another member, Mike, who's going to be bringing in his Firebird, his Trans Am from the 70s. And he's going to be showing you parts that he got for his Trans Am. And I would go ahead and show you the car, but right now, living in Canada, it's covered in snow, and you won't be seeing much anyway. So, yeah, I'll just save you the trouble. And maybe I'll post some pics on YouTube later. I don't know. Or, yeah, that's not worth it. You guys could like us on Facebook if you want, under Racing Gems and JDMs. Our old name used to be Dig House Garage. So, if you guys want to check out our old videos for whatever good that does us, it doesn't. But we're going to try to get us a way to link Dig House Garage to Racing Gems and JDMs. Since this is the first video out there for Racing Gems and JDMs, I don't expect us to have any subscribers or any, likes or views. Obviously, we don't have any videos. So hopefully you guys can be out there and like and subscribe. And anybody who liked Dig House Garage, please like our new page. We'll be providing a lot more content than this. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. Don't worry. Pretty soon we'll have videos of our cars on the dyno. For sure, my car is going to be on the dyno sometime in the next few weeks. Yeah. So the Trans Am should be running soon, and the Sentra should be running soon, and we should post some really nice videos of them not racing each other necessarily, but them racing on the track. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll get to you with an Instagram one day soon, maybe a Snapchat, because I know people like that Snapchat. And you could like us on Facebook, Racing Gems and JDMs. The and is the little and logo, not and. So yeah, Racing Gems and JDMs, YouTube and Facebook. Be sure to like and subscribe, fellas.